is a long thing. Actually, it looked like no chili, like a penis.
Yeah.
And my
The
dad
core.
my dad who said, "Ay, girl, you know, right after the war, you being the youngest one, I think being the youngest one, very easily to be hungry. I will eat that con gusto." I said, "Really, Dad?" Yeah, and look at me, I'm very healthy. That I think that's better than how you call that, candy or
It's probably
you know?
a lot of fiber.
Yeah. Honestly, I say, wow.
Do you still eat it?
No,
No?
because it's not, you don't really eat it, but
There's not much flavor.
nothing really. But for what reason? Anything that I think when you're hungry, you just eat, no?
Yeah,
But-
if you're really hungry.
Yeah, really.
Auntie Chailang, I wanted to do another mini episode for tomorrow. I want to know how we can say I can or can you.
Oh,
So when I
Siña,
ask, can you swim?
there's two
Cocina.
ways. There's two ways. The polite way for the elders, cosinyo munango, cosinyo munango.
Cocina munango. Because nango is swim.
Swim, nango. You know?
Cocina how munango.
Munango. That is one. And then it said, untungo munango, do you know?
Oh, do you know how to swim? Untungo munango.
And I usually use the shortcut for the little, it's like, oh my God, teach your kids Chamorro, because now the younger generation really, I said, how come you don't speak Chamorro? Blame my mother. They don't say blame my dad.
Okay, so if I ask you, cocina how munango, how would you say? Yes, I can.
Hunggan, pairiri to munango, zao munango. Pairiri, that's an
It's like,
very
I
young,
love
I love
pairiri.
Pairiri. That I'm expert in, I love swimming.
So you say pairiri jau
I,
munango?
okay. Pairiri, the young generation will enjoy that. Okay, but in my generation, we don't say pairiri. You know, we use the maulig zumunango.
Maulig zumunango.
Bertu, maulig munango.
Or
Si Nan
zahu
Chailang.
munango?
Or zahu munango.
like
I enjoy zahu. And no mahulig zu, I'm excellent in
How
swimming.
about I swam yesterday?
Oh, muna. Hunggan munango zu nigam.
Munango zu nigap?
I swam
Okay,
yesterday.
so let's
Munango zu nigap.
Munango zu nigap.
Nigap,
Let me
yeah.
try cocina how bumayla?
Pai mauleng na zu munango kini bumayla lo unggan dididi no bumabayla zu lo gefso bumayla lo ti gef pairi zu de. You understand what I'm saying?
Lo
I said
gefso, I love-
I enjoy swimming and I love dancing, but
I only dance a little bit.
I
Dididi?
dididi because no, I noticed that I didn't have a good rhythm. But my two sisters, oh my God, they got the Carolinian rhythm. They got the rhythm. Me, I got this solid Chamorro that I don't move. Really?
You can dance. I've seen you cha-cha.
But I, just, I guess it's just, I said, my God, I enjoy, life and dancing. But I noticed it when my sister, Nankita, today, 2 years ago, she died. But I think we came here early 80s. And that time, oh, sugar. Oh my God, when we have just, in the palapala in her house. So everybody have party. You ask just family, and then they put that. Nankita. Dancing sugar, and what a rhythm. And here I am, very tisu, and I'm just watching, say, what happened? I love dancing, and God didn't give me the rhythm. Nankita, Nanta Michele. Wow. You know how you pronounce that? Jukebox? How you pronounce that? The jukebox. Like
Jukebox?
The jukebox.
Jitterbug.
How you pronounce
the
that?
jitterbug.
These two, Nankita and Timami, oh my God, they're so good. Really, I watched them, and here I am, Nankita, they don't move much, but boy, they're got
gifted
the,
dancers.
yeah, not me,
Zanya Bumayla.
But Nankita like me, and Timami good rhythm, lo, zomalo means shy. But I said,
Zomalo.
Zomalo, she's so shy to dance. I have to kind of say, sister, you're good. She and Auntie Sophie, 1948, 1949, street dance.
Auntie Sophie Tenorio?
Tenorio, before she was just maybe that time 6th grade. I am in the 5th grade and my sister is in the 7th grade. Street dance every Saturday, like 6 o'clock. All the Navy, you know the one
All the
of
Navy.
Surf Club Highway?
Yes, yes.
That area?
Yeah.
It's
Lovely
all
for-
our relative right there. Nothing in Garapan na.
That
And they will
sounds
be
great.
dancing. And I saw Auntie Sophie Pangilinan, now married to Teno. Teno died. She and her sisters, good Pangilinan. Sablang Pangilinan, good dancers. And Maulig Bosnia, the excellent singing like you. Their voice is very awesome, beautiful. So God probably said, Chailang, I'm not gonna give you this too much because your personality is very show off and probably you'll be dancing pulling up your dress.
Okay, so if you ask me,
okay.
Cosinya Bumayla, I can say, Ahi Tisinya Bumayla. I can't dance.
That's correct.
Or I could say, Ungan Bumayla Zuniga. Giniga?
I didn't see the first one.
Bumayla Zuniga.
Ungan Bumayla Zuniga.
Or I can say, Senzao Bumayla.
Mauli,
I
good.
love dancing.
Ungan.
Okay, how do you say, can you cook? Cosinya how?
Cocina ho, now they look at cocino. Si, cocinero, no? Cocinero, you're
The chef.
noun, the chef. No, cocino como, contungo como cinero.
Contungo comucinero.
You know how
Do you
to
know
cook.
how
Como
to
cinero. You're a cook,
Contungo
and then ru is the
comucinero.
action, como cinero, and said, ay, maulig jo como cinero.
Maulig zu comucinero. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Or Tisinya zu comucinero.
Or say,
Oh,
no, tisina ju means
Tiutungo.
I can. Tiutungo, I don't know tiutungo. Tisina, tisina como cinero ju, it means that you know how to cook, but you cannot cook. So, you don't know how to cook, tiutungo como cinero.
Tiutungo
Don't say
comucinero.
tisina, because tisina kind of telling that you know how to cook, but you're busy, so tisina.
Oh.
See the tricky?
Untungo,
said-
ungan untungo comucinero lo
Tisina
Tisinya.
sa
Tazza tempo.
Taza tempo.
Oh, okay.
And then just for you to kind of, you know, because our island name is very, how you call that, we always have the nation. So growing up, my agizok ko, my generation, is said, utunga kumo, but isungasi jo, our generation, we
Isungasi jo.
use the Japanese.
Zazas zu.
Zazazu. Ay, isungasi means busy. Zazazu means no. Yeah, I'm tired. So
Oh,
I can.
Zazas is like
Zazas
I'm
is tired.
Isungasi is busy from Japanese.
For Japanese.
Isogashi.
But now they don't use it.
Oh, okay.
So me, a lot of the Japanese, when they come, I will use that. They just look at me because they thought we don't smell, you know. But we use growing up the very much Japanese words. Oh, yakyu. Nita fan yakyu. Yakyu means
Yakyu.
yakyu
Baseball.
means baseball.
Yeah.
But
Let's play
now
baseball. Nihita
no.
fan yakyu.
Yakyu.
Cosinya how kumanta?
Gef zokum ungan sinya lo baba de bosu tigef mauli. I love ungan. I can sing, but I don't have a good voice.
You have a bad voice, Baba de Bosu.
Ogo mauli bos mo lo go baba. But my two sisters, I love singing, and God didn't give me. And my two sisters, Nakita love to sing, and Amisha, but both of them beautiful voice. Until you know, when you're old, I notice Nakita already not nice, but Auntie Mommy, oh my beautiful voice. Me, I took after my mother out of tune little bit.
Cosinya how humanagi unay?
Cocina ho malaki inay.
Malik.
Malaki inay to go.
Malaki
Humano,
inay.
nanga. Humano means walk, go. Malaki inay, you go throughout the. So there's a more correct. Cocina ho malaki inay.
Malaki
Inay.
inay.
Yeah.
Malaki inay.
Unay no different. See that? Cocina ho umano. Either way is correct, but most correct is the cocina ho malaki inay.
Malaki inay.
Wow,
Can you go to the beach? Ahi tisinya sa isongasizu.
Osungasizu pat sinasa ka din mo. You absorb food or whatever.
Okay, that's good. That's a good episode.
Yeah, I'm just looking at, not yet. So
What time?
Ahi,
After
11 o'clock. If you want, we can drive there with my car and we order what you like.
Okay, I can drive.
Oh, no, we might keep your car here so people and then.
Oh.
Or you're
Cocina ho Jumaiba.
Good. Ang ganda Nancy, we use that.
Or I can say Ayayi Guahu Jumaiba.
Ahi,
Sinya Husinya Jumaiba.
Sinya Haju Jumaiba. Ahi Auntie Chailang Sinya Haju Jumaiba.
Ahi Auntie Chailang Sinya Haju Jumaiba.
Acha bebe nige di Nancy.
All right. How do we say can you speak tomorrow? Cocina ho Fino'CHamoru?
Cocina ho Fumino Chamorro.
Cocina ho Fumino Chamorro? Or Untunga
Chamorro?
Untunga Chamorro?
Sa very good. Untunga Chamorro. Huwa de sa Chamorro.
I can say Ungan lo didi?
Ungan.
Just a little.
Untunga Chamorro. Ungan de lo didi ade.
Didi ade. Ungan lo didi ade.
And the day is kind of polite, you know. Remember this guy, Chamorro guy? Very nice. You don't see that.